You know what I used to love before going carnivore? Filled pancakes. Soft, buttery pancakes wrapped around warm meat or cheese. It was the kind of thing I could eat too much of and still want more. And guess what? I still do. My girlfriend actually makes them for me sometimes. And she was the one who said, "Why don't you show people the way you like them now?" So here we are. Today I'm making carnivore filled pancakes. No flour, no junk, no plant-based sadness. Just eggs, cream cheese, and beef. And loads of butter. You can't mess this up. Well, unless you're me. But we'll get to that in a minute. All you really need: 500 grams of minced beef, 4 eggs, 100 grams cream cheese, which is about half a pack, and lots of butter for the pan, and optional shredded cheese or sour cream for serving. This will make around 7 pancakes, or 5, if you flip like I do. And if you saw my meatball video, you already know I'm not exactly the best flipper. But hey, that's real life, right? You know how sometimes you watch these perfect cooking videos, and when you try it at home, halfway through you realize that
this is a little bit of a disaster.
Today, I'm flipping the tables. Literally. And I promise, you can do this better than me, but I had to give it a shot. Start by melting some butter and cooking the minced beef in a pan over medium heat until browned. Just move it around and let it do its thing. If there's water coming out from the minced beef, you might want to let it simmer a bit longer in order to let it evaporate. Once it's ready, set it aside. We'll come back to it later. For the pancakes, crack 4 eggs into a blender. I use NutriBullet Portable. Links in the description if you're curious. It's really compact and wireless. Then add 100 grams of cream cheese. Now blend it all together until smooth. I like to run it twice, just to be sure. No lumps here. And it's time to cook the pancakes. Put your pan on a medium heat and add a generous amount of butter. We are not going light on the fat today. Grab a ladle and scoop in the pancake mixture. Pour it into the pan. Then tilt and swirl the pan so the batter spreads evenly into a thin layer. Now here's the part where I cross my fingers. You'll start to see the pancake turn a golden yellow. That's your sign to flip. I give it around 2 to 3 minutes per side. Use a wide spatula and go for it. If I can do it, you definitely can. Once done, slide it onto a board or a plate. Butter the pan again and repeat the process until all the batter's used up. I usually get 7 if I'm behaving, or 5 if the flipping gods are laughing like today. Now the fun part, filling the pancakes. Take one of your pancakes, add a few tablespoons of your cooked ground beef down the center, fold it up like a burrito or taco, whatever works, and set it aside. Feel free to add a little shredded cheese inside too, if you're feeling it. That's it. Serve them up with sour cream or just enjoy as is. The pancakes are soft and buttery, the beef is rich and savory. It's everything you want in a carnivore comfort meal. You can also store or freeze them. Just reheat in a pan and get them extra crispy on both sides when you're ready to eat again. And there you go, carnivore filled pancakes. Warm, rich, satisfying, and no flour inside. If you give this a try, let me know how your flipping skills compare to mine. Just remember, uneven pancakes still taste great. And because I clearly need practice, I've decided I'll flip 1 pancake for every new subscriber. So go ahead, ruin my wrists, hit subscribe. I'll meet you back here next time on Meet Carnivore.